So we've got another little job to do on our Project Golf, which is this belt tensioner here. You can just about see the 2 bolts and the tensioner there. Fairly straightforward, 3 bolts. They are different sizes, so remember which way they go. It's just a 17mm spanner to release the tensioner, which is pretty much as simple as, get it on for you, get the tensioner on and then just pull it to back the belt off. Nice and easy. I'll show you when it comes off. Okay, so that's our new tensioner all fitted. Belt back on the same way it came off, so really you should mark the direction of what they go so that when you re-put them on you don't get any squeals or anything. So we'll go for a start now. There's no more vibrating. That was really moving before, like bucking up and down, so that's good. There you go, nice and easy.